Look at this hair. Now, look at yours. If there's a gap, this video closes it. Because 9 out of 10 guys are wrecking their hair every single morning, and they have no clue they're doing it. 5 steps, 4 minutes. No salon, no shelf full of 20 products. Do these, and in 90 days your hair is thicker, healthier, and actually behaves. And step 4? The one nobody talks about, so don't you dare skip out early. Step 1, cleansing. And no, you're not washing your hair, you're cleaning your scalp. That's where healthy hair is born. But here's where everyone blows it, the water. Crank it hot and you're literally melting off your scalp's natural oils. Translation? Dryness, itching, weaker roots, and more hair in that drain. So keep it lukewarm. Then use your fingertips, not your nails, small circles, like you mean it. Shampoo? Match it to your problem, not the fancy label. Dandruff, go ketoconazole. Oily or itchy, tea tree. Dry and brittle, a hydrating formula. One job, let it do it. Step 2, conditioning. The part guys rush or skip completely. Huge mistake. Shampoo strips, conditioner restores. But listen carefully, mids and ends only, never the scalp, or you'll flatten your hair into a greasy pancake. Leave it 60 seconds, then rinse cold. That cold rinse seals the cuticle and gives you shine you thought only a filter could fake. Step 3, drying. This is where good hair goes to die. Rubbing your head like you're starting a campfire, you're snapping strands in half. Instead, squeeze, don't scrub. Microfiber towel if you've got one. Blow drying? Low heat, keep it moving, never park it in one spot. Wet hair is weak hair. Be gentle and it pays you back. Step 4, the one I promised, oiling. This feeds the root, wakes up circulation, and builds strength from the ground up. But here's the twist nobody tells you. More is not better. Drown your scalp and you clog the follicle and trap dirt. So, a few drops. Massage 2 minutes, once or twice a week. Done. Want to hold a style after? A light, strong hold gel, but that's styling, not care. Don't confuse the two. Step 5, and honestly, the biggest one. Your hair is literally protein. You can nail every single step, but if your diet is trash, your hair will be too. So feed it. Protein, eggs, fish, dairy. Healthy fats, nuts, avocado, seeds. And the Power Squad, vitamin A, C, E, zinc, and biotin. Then the free stuff everyone ignores. Drink your water, fix your sleep, kill the stress. Great hair isn't grown in the shower, it's grown from the inside. So, cleanse, condition, dry, oil, nourish. 5 steps. That's the whole routine that separates good hair from great hair. Remember that gap from the start of the video? This is how you close it. Give it 90 days, then come back and thank me. Everything's linked below. Hit subscribe so the next one finds you.